Hey, welcome to Maths Chat today. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to break a number into its prime factors using a factor tree. Let's have a look. This first example asks us to express 108 as a product of prime factors in index form. Now, if we think about what a prime number means it can't divide evenly by any number except for itself and 1. So I'm going to start up the top with 108. And then we are going to think of this, one of the prime factors. Obviously 2 is going to be a prime factor. So let's break that down. So 2, and then 2 times 54 is equal to 108. As you can see here, we're going to create a factor tree, I like to call it, where each branch coming off from a number is made up of its factors. So this one is not going to be able to break down anymore because 2 is a prime number. Then let's go to 54. That can break down again into 2 and 27. And again, 2 is the prime factor, is a prime factor. So I'm just going to keep on going with the 27. So then I'll break it down into 3 and 9. And now 3 is a prime factor. And the final step is to break down this 9. So 3 and 3. Now looking at that, there is now on all of the ends of the branches, almost like our final leaves on the very end, are all prime factors. If we were going to write this in prime factor form, how I would do this is I count how many 2's. Since there's 2, it's 2 to the power of 2 times 3 to the power of 1, 2, 3 3's. And that is the answer, expressed as a product of prime factors in index form. Index form, just a quick note, is where you've got your base and then your index up here shown, and that's presented in both. This next one, I recommend pausing the video and trying to give this one a go on your own and then looking at your answer against mine. So we are starting with 48 up the top this time. Then we are breaking that into 2 factors. So the thing is, we can come up with any factors of 48 and we would end up with the same numbers down the bottom. So let's try 6 and 8 for this first step. 6 and 8, because 6 times 8 is 48. Then we can break both of those down further. So 6 is going to break into 2 and 3, and that's going to be cut off there because those are both prime factors. Now the 8, that will be 2 and 4. 2 and 2. So now I have all of the very ends of my branches are the prime factors. And writing this in index form, because I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 2's, it's 2 to the power of 4 times, and then there's just only 3 there, so that will be 3. Now I'm going to quickly show you what happens if we started with 2 different numbers. So 48 again at the top of our tree, and instead of going 6 and 8, let's think of 2 more factors. So I'm going to say 4 and 12. Now at this point, let's see if we end up with the same answer. 4 can break into 2 and 2 because 2 times 2 is 4. 12, there's a few. We could do 2 and 6. Let's try that. Let's do 2, 6. I could also do 3 and 4. At the moment I've got 3 2s, so I'm getting close to having 4 2s. And then because 2, 2, 2, all those 3 are prime factors. My final step is to take the 6 and break that down further into 2, 3. Now, if I was going to put that in index form, I will have 2 to the power of 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4 2s times 3, and there's only one lonely 3. Just a reminder, when a number is to the power of 1, we never write a 1 up here. There's an invisible 1, but you can always assume that it's 3 to the power of 1. There you have it. That is how you do prime factorization. So hopefully that's helped you know how to draw a factor tree and also break a number into its prime factors. If you've got any questions, please comment below. Also hit like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye.